Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Keep it coming, keep it on coming, keep it on coming, keep it on coming. I need it right now. Hey, so I wonder who's gonna get traded. I wonder who's gonna get traded. I think it's gonna be you, Puppet. It isn't gonna be me, cause I'm so cool. Look at me. It's definitely gonna be you, Simple Dimple. No, it isn't. It's gonna be you guys. Stop blaming everything on me. Yeah, it's gonna be definitely Puppet. No, it isn't gonna be me. It's gonna be you. Puppet, Puppet, Puppet. Simple Dimple. She's coming.
I'm just gonna switch out Puppet.
I wonder who's gonna get traded for Puppet. Hopefully it's a new, better Puppet. That's so way more nicer. Hi, I'm Rainbow Puppet. You're so much nicer. Yay! Eee! Yeah, you're way more nicer than a normal Puppet. Yeah, same. You guys are so cool. I wonder.
I'm trying homemade Nita.
Oh, hi. Who are you? I'm, of course, really rare, legendary blue pineapple squishinito. That's cool. Hopefully I'm not getting traded. Hopefully you are. Yeah, you are, because you're rude. Tangle, I know what you're going to say. Yep, okay. I wonder who's getting traded again today. I think it's going to be you. Yeah, it's going to be you, of course. You, Tangle. Okay, time to see who gets traded. Shh! Sleepy's coming. I wonder who he's trading for. There you go. Perfect. New Tangle, he's so much nicer. Hopefully he's nicer. Hopefully he's nicer. What do you mean? I'm of course nice. Okay, so someone's getting traded today. I heard him on the phone call, and someone's getting traded today. OMG, not again. Please don't be me. No, don't be me. Don't be me. Especially don't be me. Look at my cute little face. So you guys, and you better enjoy the video. Bye. Beep. Have a nice day. Outro. Bye. Like it like that. Bye.